Hey guys, Mike from MJF Home Upgrades here. Just wanted to give a little insight as to the costs that are associated with residential construction projects. A lot of companies are not willing to invest in a lot of these things that ultimately make the customer experience as well as the work, the finished product, a lot more desirable. So for instance, our overhead summary, just to give you a little insight, we have office expenses, which consists of an administrator who is there to answer your calls when you have questions or concerns. We have software such as estimating, design softwares, accounting softwares, office leases, phones. We have miscellaneous things such as storage facilities, bookkeeping, waste disposal, trailer maintenance. Waste disposal is a huge part of a residential project that people don't really take into account. It costs money to get rid of garbage, believe it or not. Insurances. There's a total of 7 insurances where you might get a quote from somebody that's really cheap, but they probably have no insurance. We carry 7: liability, workers' comp, automotive, disability, unemployment, umbrella, storage insurance. There's a lot of insurances that go into making sure that you, the consumer, are protected. Our team, background checks. Yes, we want to make sure that the person in your house is not a criminal and a drug addict. We background check them to make sure that they are responsible. Training and education, ongoing training to make sure our guys are up to date with industry standards and to ensure that they are able to give you, the consumer, the best outcome possible. We have a tire to make sure that our guys don't look homeless. Certifications and licenses, operations, trucks and maintenance, gas, project managers. Every project that we do has a designated project manager to make sure that your questions and concerns are answered in a timely manner and that you're not waiting around for 6 days for an answer. Salespeople, tools, equipment, and maintenance. Again, these are just a few things that go into a project. Now, over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to go over and explain some of the other costs that are associated with a construction project to educate you, the consumer, a little bit more. Thanks for watching.